Alright, well, work is done. I recorded a few clips. Hope I answered your question. I forgot what your name is. But I know I got all three of them. It was one dude asking three questions. I'll put like a screenshot in the video. But yeah, hope I answered your question. Hope y'all enjoyed the clips. I'm gonna go home and relax for a little bit. Maybe a workout tonight.
I've been thinking about it. I've been thinking about all the things you do.
Alright. I think today is day 19. So yeah, day 19. Let's get it.
Thinking about you. I've been thinking about it. I've been thinking about all the things you do. Thinking about you. I've been thinking about it. I've been thinking about all the things you do. Thinking about you.